Imagine an animal that can squeeze through a hole the size of a coin, taste with its arms, change color and shape like a living mood ring, and outsmart almost any predator, or even you. No, it's not an alien. It's the octopus, the ultimate biological enigma of our planet. The octopus is one of nature's strangest and most fascinating creatures. With over 300 different species living across our oceans, from shallow coral reefs to the darkest depths of the abyss, octopuses have evolved into living proof that sometimes truth is stranger than fiction. But what exactly makes them so insane? Today we're diving deep into the mind-bending biology of the octopus, a true marvel of evolution. First, let's talk about their bodies. Octopuses have 3 hearts. That's right. 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. But here's the twist. When an octopus swims, the heart that circulates blood to the body actually stops beating. And their blood? It's blue, not red. That's because they use a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin to transport oxygen, which is more efficient in cold, low-oxygen environments. Now think about their arms. Each octopus arm has about 50 million neurons, meaning they can independently taste, touch, and even think without needing instructions from the brain. Essentially, an octopus has 8 semi-autonomous brains attached to a central one. That's not just weird, that's next-level evolution. Octopuses are considered some of the most intelligent invertebrates on Earth. They solve puzzles. They open jars from the inside. They can mimic other animals, learn through observation, and even recognize individual human faces. Scientists have found that octopuses can plan, exhibit short and long-term memory, and even display play behavior, a trait usually reserved for mammals like dolphins and primates. One famous octopus named Inky escaped from a New Zealand aquarium by slipping out of a small gap, crawling across the floor, and sliding down a drain pipe to freedom. If that's not a real-life escape artist, what is? Their intelligence is especially remarkable when you realize that most octopuses live only about 1 to 5 years. Imagine packing a lifetime of learning, exploration, and mischief into just a few short years. Perhaps the most jaw-dropping ability of the octopus is its camouflage. Thanks to specialized cells called chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores, an octopus can instantly change its color, reflectivity, and even texture to blend into its surroundings, almost invisibly. Some species, like the mimic octopus, take it even further by impersonating other dangerous animals, such as lionfish or sea snakes, to scare off predators. And it's not just visual. Octopuses can actually sense the polarization of light, a feature completely alien to human beings, giving them a totally different view of the underwater world. In other words, an octopus doesn't just disappear, it becomes the environment itself. Despite their incredible biology, octopuses have very short lifespans. Most species live only 1 to 5 years. After mating, males typically die within months. Females, after laying thousands of eggs, will guard them fiercely, refusing to eat, and eventually die once the babies hatch. It's a tragic yet beautiful circle of life. Some scientists theorize that octopuses are designed for rapid learning and rapid death to ensure quick genetic adaptation across generations. But even in their brief lives, they leave a massive impact, both on the ecosystem and on our understanding of what intelligence can look like beyond mammals. There's even a fun theory floating around that octopuses might have extraterrestrial origins. Some researchers half-jokingly propose that octopus genes are so strange, so unique, that they could have arrived on Earth via frozen comet material during the early days of the planet. Of course, it's not accepted mainstream science, but when you look at their mind-bending abilities, their outlandish appearance, and their alien-like behavior, you might find yourself wondering just a little. The octopus is a living reminder that Earth is still full of mysteries and that evolution can take some truly wild directions. If you thought the octopus was insane, wait until you see what other crazy creatures we're diving into next. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our deep dives into the most bizarre animals on the planet. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.